Students, today we are discussing about a chapter quadratic equation class 10th. This is chapter 4. So we are discussing MCQ type of questions here. So question number one is the degree of quadratic equation is. So first of all we have to understand what you mean by degree. So degree means the maximum power. So degree means power, which is a maximum power of a quadratic of any type of polynomial. So degree means the maximum power. So example, first of all, the equation, let we suppose x square plus 2x plus 7 equal to 0. So here in this equation, the maximum power is 2 because here a variable which is having a power 1 and here there is no variable. So means x to the power 0. है ना? Any number having a power 0 means 1. So in this equation, the maximum power is 2. So quadratic equation means power 2. So answer is option 2. The second question, in the second question, which of the following is a quadratic equation? So first of all, we have to solve these all four equation and let us suppose which is a quadratic equation. So in option one, if we resolve both the side, let LHS there is no solution. In RHS, if we solve RHS, so here 4 to the power 4 square means 16 plus x square plus minus 2 into 4 into x plus 3. So here that x square will be cancelled out by this x square. So only x to the power left in this equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. Understood? In the second equation, if we solve this equation, so this x multiplied by minus 2x. Minus x multiplied by minus 2x. So that is minus 2x square. And here also 2x square. This will also cancel out. So this is not the answer of this question. This option is also incorrect. If we solve that equation, so in this equation only if we put value k to the value minus 1, so plus 1 minus 1 means 0. 0 into x square, 0 into x square plus 3 by 2 into x minus 7 equal to 0. So here also x square will be eliminated. So it is also not the solution of this equation. But if we solve these equation, so let's just solve this equation. X cube minus x square is equal to x minus 1 whole cube. So this is x cube a cube plus a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. So this is a RHS side. So that is x cube minus 1 minus 3x square and this minus minus plus 3x. In LHS, x cube minus x square. So that x cube will be cancel out. And this minus x square here, minus 3x square. When we move this minus 3x square from RHS to LHS, it will become 2x square and minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So answer is option 4. In question number 3, if 1 upon 2 is a root of this equation, then find the value of k. So we have to put x equal to 1 upon 2. Root means the solution of this equation is 1 upon 2. When we put the value of x into the equation, LHS become equal to RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. So in this equation, when we put the 1 upon 2 square plus k 1 upon 2 minus 5 by 4 equal to 0. So solve this equation. 1 upon 4 plus k upon 4 minus 5 upon 4 k upon 2 is equal to 0. So first and third part, that is k upon 2 minus 1 minus 5 means minus 4, minus 4 upon 4 minus 1. So that is k equal to 2. So answer is A. Understood? Question number third, question number fourth, the discriminant of the quadratic equation. So first of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of this discriminant. Discriminant means d, that is b square minus 4ac. What is ABC? What is ABC means? This is a standard form of equation. Here also mentions what is ABC. है ना? A is a coefficient of x square. B is a coefficient of x. C is a constant part. So in this equation, b square minus 4ac, that is a discriminant. So b square minus 4ac, that is option C. Okay. Now, which of the following is not a quadratic equation? Also, that is similar to question number 2. This part is also similar to question number 2. So here x minus 2 whole square means when we solve this equation, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. So that is x square will left. If x square will left, then it is a quadratic equation. So option A is right. But here in second part, we will also move to the other options also. So that is x square, and in right hand side also x square. This will be cancelled out. So this is not an option. In third part, x into 2x, that is 2x square, that is 2x square. Uh, so that is 2x square minus x square. That is also the solution. So this is also correct. When we solve third part, so x cube, x a plus b whole cube, x cube plus 2 cube means 8 plus 3 into x into 2, x plus 2 is equal to x cube minus 4. So that will be cancel out, and x square will left. So it is also a quadratic equation. So option is the right option is, we have to find out which is not a solution, which is not a quadratic equation. So answer is B. The root of the following quadratic equation are. So if in any question they will ask to find out the root of quadratic equation, there are two methods. Number one, by using middle term split method. Okay, middle term split method. Yeah, splitting of middle term. And the second is by using quadratic formula. Quadratic formula equation. So that is, and I think everybody know what is middle term split, and quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2. What is ABC? The coefficient of x square, coefficient of x, and constant term. So we can find out the solution by using any of the method. So that is 750, the coefficient of 750, 5, 150, also 5, 30, then 5, 6, then 2 and 3. So when we add two numbers, we will get, when we add two numbers, we will get 55. When we multiply two numbers, we will get 750. So what are these numbers? So 5 5s are 25 into 2, 50, and in multiply by 15. So 50 and so by using quadratic formula, if we use, that is minus b means 55 plus minus square root of b square minus 55 square minus 4 into 1 into 750. And the whole part is in square root upon 2a, 2 into 1. So when we solve, we will get the solution. And so that is a calculation part. So we can do by using calculation. Next question. Value of k for which the quadratic equation this has equal root. Equal root means discriminant equal to 0, d equal to 0. in any question, if it is given that roots are equal, then it means discriminant equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. What is ABC? A is 2, B is minus k, and C is k. Okay. So put the values. So minus k square minus 4 into 2 into k equal to 0. So that is k square minus 8k equal to 0. By using factor k minus 8 equal to 0. So k is equal to 8, 0. Two solutions are there. So option D. Okay, option D is right. And the last question is, um, x square plus 1, the whole square minus x square has how many roots? So we can solve x square plus 1, that is whole square minus x square equal to 0. So that is a plus b whole square. So a square plus 1 plus 2 into x square into 1 minus x square equal to 0. So by solve these equation, x square 2x square minus x square, that is also plus x square plus 1 equal to 0. So the maximum power is 4. So how many roots? 4 roots. 4 roots are exist. So 4 real roots exist. So that is the total solution of these MCQ question. Thank you.